here's this morning's little job. The concrete guy that I do some work with for the builders got this garage I guess he's gonna try to pour, but I haven't been able to get a concrete truck in here due to all the rain and weather. They've had this load of rock here I guess for quite a while, and a friend of this guy's came over with his tractor and started trying to dig some of this out. But I guess I'm gonna come through here and kind of cut a little bit of this out, put on the left side of the shop down there. I think they're gonna have steps or something. They're not really sure. He's just kind of doing a little bit as he can, but at least for today I'm just gonna try to get this dressed up, cut down just a hair where we can spread this stone on there, and then hopefully they can get a concrete truck back down in there later this week. So it's still a little bit muddy, but this is as dry as it's been in 3 weeks over here. So let's get to it. Here's kind of the after for what I'm going to do today. Try to cut some of this dirt where maybe some of this water would drain out of here and around here. He's not sure if he's going to have a concrete pad or an apron out from the building yet, so I just kind of got the rock put down for today. And I think now we're talking about coming back and redoing some of the driveway. He's getting water in his house, or was the last couple of rains. So for a quick fix today, I tried to cut a little bit of a ditch or a swell and reshape some of that and move it on around. That's about as good as I can get it dressed up for today. We're about out of rock, so we may come back and redo the driveway, but for now, I ought to be able to get his concrete truck in here, get that part of it poured, and then I think he's got a little bit of a lateral line issue we talked about, so I may have some more work over here, which is okay. But yep, for today, this will work, and we'll head to the next one.